Do you feel like you're constantly fighting a losing battle against your finances? Do you want to learn how to turn the tide and start saving more money, paying off debts, and building wealth? Make sure to grab a pen and paper because you're about to learn the top money saving tips for beginners. Before we dive in, let's talk about a mind-blowing statistic. The average person spends over $1,000 a year on coffee and snacks. That's a lot of money going towards something we don't really need. We've all been there, but here's the thing. Those little expenses are the biggest factor in why so many people struggle to save money. Those little expenses add up fast, and before you know it, you're in the red and wondering where all your money went. With the tips we're about to share, you'll be able to take control of your finances, live the life you've always wanted, and finally have peace of mind when it comes to money. Let's start with the most effective on our list. Number 1. Start with a budget. A recent study by Bankrate found that only 41% of Americans have a budget, and only 33% of them stick to it. That means that 60% of people don't have a budget. If you're one of them, it's time we change that. Budgeting is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Studies show that people who stick to a budget can save an average of $5,000 per year. And the best part, creating a budget is simple and straightforward. All you need to do is start tracking your income and your expenses. There's tons of ways you can do this. You can either write them all down, or you can use an app like Mint. This is going to show you exactly where your money is going and how you can adjust your spending to match your goals. Number 2. Live below your means. According to a survey by NerdWallet, the average household spends approximately $240 per month on subscriptions. That means they can save this by cutting out unnecessary subscriptions because living below your means is one of the simplest ways to save money. This means spending less money than you earn, which will ultimately lead to avoiding lifestyle inflation. Warren Buffett once said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you'll have to sell things you need." So, live like a king with a pauper's budget and watch your savings grow. In order to live below your means, you need to track your spending. And this leads us to number 3. Track your spending. A famous saying goes, "You can't manage what you don't measure." A National Endowment for Financial Education study found that people who regularly track their spending are more likely to stick to their budget and achieve their goals. This means keeping a record of every purchase you make, no matter how small. As mentioned earlier in the video, you can either write it down or you can use an app like Mint Mobile. By tracking your spending, you're going to see exactly where your money's going and identify areas where you can cut back. As the saying goes, knowing is half the battle. Number 4. Save your raise. A study by the Employee Benefit Research Institute found that the average worker received a 2.8% raise in 2021. When you get a raise, it's tempting to increase your spending to match your new income. But the secret to becoming a millionaire is simple. Save your raise. By saving your raise, you'll be able to build your wealth and reach your financial goals faster. The next time you get a raise, make a commitment to save it, use it to pay off debt, or invest it into assets. If you continuously use this habit throughout your lifetime, you will easily see your wealth begin to build. Tip number 5. Pay off your debt. A study by NerdWallet found that the average American has approximately $38,000 in personal debt. Paying off your debt can help improve your credit score, reduce stress, and increase your financial security. Carrying debt can be a burden on your finances and your life. It can prevent you from reaching your financial goals as well as your personal goals. Debt is like a weight holding you back, but it's never too late to break free. By paying off your debt, you'll be able to reduce your monthly expenses and increase your savings and investments. So make a plan to pay off your debt and take control of your finances. Number 6. A study by the American Institute of Consumer Studies found that shopping at discount stores like Aldi and Lidl can save consumers up to 50% compared to shopping at traditional grocery stores. In addition, another great way to save money while shopping is to visit thrift stores. This has the additional bonus of being able to find one-of-a-kind gems that are only available at that specific store at an amazing price. Shopping smart is another great way to save money. It can save you thousands of dollars each year without sacrificing quality. Always make sure to see what deals are available and if there's any coupons that you're able to use. When money's good and prices are low, make sure to stock up on common household items in bulk. Number 7. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate the process. Did you know that your checking account can be set up to automatically save money from your checks whenever they come into your bank? This is a system that you set up one time and will prove to have substantial returns. By automating your savings, you eliminate any possibility of that money being spent anywhere else. A study by Fidelity Investments found that people who automate their savings are more likely to reach their savings goals. This is going to help you save without ever needing to think about it again. Tip number 8. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best investment you'll ever make. This can mean many things, from taking courses, attending seminars, building a new skill, or even just reading a new book. By investing in yourself, you'll be able to increase your income and build a better financial future. You'll become smarter, healthier, wealthier, and overall increase your value, thus increasing your income. In fact, a recent study showed that people who invest in their education earn an average of 50% more than those who don't. Tip number 9. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is a great way to increase your income and build wealth. A side hustle can be anything from starting a blog to selling handmade goods to offering freelance services. By starting a side hustle, you'll be able to earn extra money on the side and reach your financial goals faster. According to a recent study by Statista, there are 73.3 million freelancers in the USA, which is expected to reach 90.1 million by 2028. The gig economy is rapidly growing, and there's no better time than the present to get started on building your own business on the side. This will also give you more sources of income. On average, most millionaires have 7 streams of income. So by starting a side hustle, you'll be well on your way to joining the Millionaire Club. Remember, saving more money isn't about making big sacrifices or living like a monk. It's about making small, smart choices that add up to big results. So make sure to start tracking your spending, saving your raise, paying off your debt, starting a side hustle, and investing in yourself. The journey to financial freedom may be scary at first, but the reward in the end is worth it. You'll have peace of mind and the ability to do what you want, when you want, with who you want. With all that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that it helped you get on the right path to saving more money. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more financial literacy tips. If you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below.